California. The old 88, the BackHoeMan, and 88 are in the bug iced tea. Well, I dropped it just like this, and I'm getting out just like I got in. County for sure, 88, 815, Southern California, straight on back. 85, all 5. Standing by, break. Yeah, right back to you. Yeah, alright, yeah, I guess my bad. I put one down, I wasn't making a trip. Maybe I'll put one more P in the pot. 85 all 59, Chicago. Want to know if he got any condition. We standing by. You say you 5 all? See, I sure wish I could toss Skip in my mobile, but unfortunately I can't. 762 Riverside, Southern Cal, back quiet. 44, Virginia, and a real big company. Hey, 15, be careful, man. I'm trying to weed. Don't up in Chicago. Hey, 15, I want to know if my baby driver doing any talking. 81559 Chicago. 59 Chicago, you're making a fine trip over here to the coast of Cali. 815, let you know, Bray. You're right on 815. Yeah, I just want to see if this old baby driver was doing any talking this evening, man. All right, then, 815, put on a good time game. Come on, 5, man. Howdy. 815, I got down and gone. Hey, fuck it, all the time you're under a little squirt. Driveway, I'm back quiet. 1400. Florida, small can, northern Canada. Hello, 148 around Michigan on the ground, 148. Igloo. That's the 535 was blowing smoke. I heard the 15 in there, the LittleSquirt in there. I mean, they're all in there. There's one on the side. Hey, 0005 in Chicago. Okay, was this good last night, man? My memory's going, but you're over it all. Can you set it all? Step her down here and speed the dial here, lasts a power hour or hours. Keeps going later and later every night. 148 said that. Have a good one, 58, and we're clear. We're 1072. Hello, 148, 161, Detroit, Motor City. Oh, I gotta say hi to you there too, 161 in Detroit, Motor City, where the cars are built and the good music comes from. Detroit, man, right on. Some good blues comes out of that area. Did Bob Seger come from there? He's one of my favorites. All right, you have a good one. 161, Detroit, 58. Check. Yeah, these things are going to get a little rampant in there. I need to watch out. Detroit, and we wave and wave to you, 333, I'm yourself going. Just to let you know, Detroit, if you're still in there, my beam is frozen on Texas. Hey, Troublemaker,